Hello friends, in this video I'll tell you how to delete extra space between words in Microsoft Word. Please like and subscribe and let's get started. To delete extra space between words, sometimes the Justify button can help you, or the hyphenation button and its automatic option. But if you copied and pasted text from a third-party source, then the word may have this result, namely a lot of extra spaces between words. To get rid of them quickly, press the keyboard shortcut Ctrl-H and the Find and Replace window opens. Here we select the Replace tab, and in the Find What field, we type the caret symbol and the letter W. This combination means we're looking for any number of spaces, and in the Replace With field, we enter one space. Now click Replace All, and as you can see, all the extra spaces have been removed. Only the single ones remain. And that's it. Now you know more.